Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most attractive women stylish shoes designs, comfortable shoes designs, beautiful casual wear shoes designs, stylish slip-on shoes designs, beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoy the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and attractive women trendy shoes design. Fantastic ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. Every design is different one another, beautiful and attractive, beautiful color combination contrasts. You can wear these very beautiful shoes designs in the birthday party or wedding party with matching dress designs, matching dress colors. Stylish, soft and comfortable shoes design you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion, about women footwear collection, about stylish comfort footwear. If you want to buy this very beautiful shoes design, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. You can buy these very beautiful shoes online these websites easily in very reasonable price. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video, and also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and attractive women stylish shoes designs? So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.